OLTP versus OLAP. OLTP. 1. OLTP stands for Online Transaction Processing. 2. It is a type of database system that is optimized for handling a large number of short, transactional requests, such as inserting, updating, or retrieving data from a database. 3. In an OLTP system, the database is designed to handle a high number of concurrent connections and transactions, with a focus on fast, consistent response times. 4. The data in an OLTP system is typically stored in normalized, relational tables, which allows for efficient querying and indexing. 5. OLTP systems are used in a variety of applications, such as e-commerce systems, financial systems, and inventory management systems. OLTP, Part 2. 1. The goal of OLTP is to enable the processing of business transactions as fast as possible, with a high degree of consistency and data integrity. 2. OLTP systems are typically characterized by a high number of read and write operations, a large number of concurrent users, and a high volume of data. 3. They are also characterized by a high degree of normalization and data integrity, with strict constraints and triggers to ensure data consistency and prevent data corruption. 4. Overall, OLTP is designed to handle a large number of concurrent transactions and to provide fast, consistent response times. 5. It is an essential component of many business systems, and it is used to support a wide variety of transactions and business processes. OLAP. 1. OLAP, or Online Analytical Processing, is a powerful technology that allows users to easily analyze large, complex data sets and make informed business decisions. 2. It is commonly used in business intelligence and decision support systems to support complex queries and analysis on large datasets. 3. OLAP databases are typically built on top of a relational database and use a multidimensional data model, which organizes data into a cube structure. 4. Each dimension in the cube represents a different aspect of the data, such as time, location, or product, and each cell in the cube contains a measure, such as sales or profit. 5. Users can interact with the OLAP cube using a client tool, such as Microsoft Excel, to drill down, roll up, and slice and dice the data to gain insights. OLAP, Part 2. 1. For example, a user could start by looking at total sales for a given time period, then drill down to see sales by region, and then by individual store. 2. There are three main types of OLAP systems: relational OLAP, ROLAP, multidimensional OLAP, MOLAP, and hybrid OLAP, HOLAP. 3. ROLAP uses a relational database as the underlying data store, while MOLAP uses a specialized multidimensional data store. 4. HOLAP combines the benefits of both ROLAP and MOLAP by using a relational data store for the detailed data and a multidimensional data store for the summarized data. 5. OLAP also provides several advanced analytical capabilities such as time series analysis, forecasting, budgeting, and data mining. 6. In addition, many OLAP tools provide a graphical interface that makes it easy for users to interact with the data and perform advanced analysis. Differences. 1. OLTP is designed to handle a high volume of short online transactions, such as inserting, updating, and retrieving data. 2. OLAP is designed to handle complex, multidimensional analysis of data. 3. It is optimized for transactional consistency, and data is stored in a normalized form to minimize data redundancy. 4. It is optimized for fast query performance and efficient data aggregation, and data is stored in a denormalized FO. 5. The main goal of OLTP is to ensure data accuracy and integrity, and to make sure that the system can handle a large number of concurrent users and transactions. 6. The main goal of OLAP is to support business intelligence and decision-making by providing users with the ability to analyze large amounts of data from multiple dimensions and levels of detail. 7. OLTP is used for operational systems that handle day-to-day transactions. 8. OLAP is used for analytical systems that support business intelligence and decision-making. Thanks for watching.